Good morning everyone. I am Aisha, student of class 7th, and today we are going to read the chapter The Tiny Teacher. So follow me. The Tiny Teacher.
The tiny teacher.
Though so very small,
Though so very small,
the ant is unbelievably
the ant is unbelievably
intelligent and hardworking. Among the various kinds, the commonest ant is black or red.
black or red.
Ants live in a comfortable homes called ant hills.
Called ant hills.
Name the smallest insect
Name the smallest insect
you have seen
you have seen
and the wisest.
and the widest.
Is it the fly?
Is it the fly?
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't.
Is it the mosquito?
It is the mosquito.
No, not the mosquito.
No, not the mosquito.
Then it must be the worm.
Then it must be the worm.
No, none of this.
No, none of these.
It is the ant,
It is the ant,
the commonest, the smallest,
the smallest,
but the wisest insect.
but the widest insect.
The story of an ant's life
The story of an ant's life
sounds almost untrue.
sounds almost untrue,
But people have kept ants
but people have kept ants
as pets
as pets
and have watched
and have watched
their daily behavior closely.
their daily behavior closely.
So we know a number of facts
So we know a number of facts
about this tiny,
about this tiny,
hardworking,
hardworking,
and intelligent creature.
and intelligent creature.
An ant uses its feelers
An ant uses its feelers
or antenna
or antenna
to talk to other ants
to talk to other ants
by passing messages through them.
by passing messages through them.
Watch a row of ants
Watch a row of ants
moving up or down the wall.
moving up or down the wall.
Each ant greets
Each ant greets
all the other ants
all the other ants
coming from the opposite direction
coming from the opposite direction
by touching their feelers.
by touching their feelers.
There are many kinds of ants.
There are many kinds of ants.
The commonest among them are
The commonest among them are
the black or red ones.
the black or red ones.
We have seen them
We have seen them
since we were children,
since we were children,
but haven't paid enough attention
but haven't paid enough attention
to them.
to them.
Where do they live?
Where do they live?
In their comfortable homes
In their comfortable homes,
called nests
called nests
or ant hills.
or ant hills.
Each has hundreds of little rooms
Each has hundreds of little rooms
and passages.
and passages.
In some of these rooms,
In some of these rooms,
the queen ant lays eggs.
the queen ant lays eggs.
Others are nurseries for the young ones called grubs.
Called grubs.
Workers have their
Workers have their
reserved quarters.
reserved quarters.
They spend most of their time
They spend most of their time
searching for food.
searching for food.
Some rooms serve as
Some rooms serve as
storehouses for this food.
storehouses for this food.
Soldiers have separate barracks.
Soldiers have separate barracks.
No worker has ever tried
No worker has ever tried
to live in a soldier's house.
to live in a soldier's house.
No soldier has ever gone out
No soldier has ever gone out
searching for food.
searching for food.
No worker or soldier
No worker or soldier
or cleaner has ever harmed a grub.
or cleaner has ever harmed a grub.
So you see,
So you see,
an ant's life is very peaceful.
an ant's life is very peaceful.
Each does its share of work
Each does its share of work
intelligently and bravely,
intelligently and bravely,
and never fights
and never fights
with the other members of the group.
with the other members of the group.
Comprehension check.
Comprehension check.
Question number 1.
Question number 1.
The story of an life
The story of an ant's life
sounds almost untrue.
sounds almost untrue.
The italicized phrase means
Italicized phrase means
highly exaggerated,
highly exaggerated,
too remarkable to be true,
too remarkable to be true,
not based on facts.
not based on facts.
Question 2.
Question 2.
Complete the following sentences.
Complete the following sentences.
An ant is the smallest.
An ant is the smallest.
We know a number of facts
We know a number of facts
about an ant's life because.
about an ant's life because.
Question number 3.
Question number 3.
In what ways is an ant's life peaceful?
In what ways is an ant's life peaceful?
The queen ant has
The queen ant has
a pair of wings
a pair of wings
which she cast off
which she cast off
before she begins to lay eggs.
before she begins to lay eggs.
Eggs hatch and become grubs.
Eggs hatch and become grubs.
Grubs change into cocoons.
Grubs change into cocoons.
The cocoons break
The cocoon breaks
to bring forth complete ants.
to bring forth complete ants.
The life of an ordinary ant
The life of an ordinary ant
in the anthill is a book
in the ant is a book
which many of us seldom open.
which many of us seldom open.
The queen is the mother
The queen is the mother
of the entire population
of the entire population
of the colony.
of the colony.
It lives for about 15 years.
It lives for about 15 years.
It has a pair of wings
It has a pair of wings,
but bites them off after its
but bites them off after its
wedding flight.
wedding flight.
This flight takes
This flight takes
place on a hot summer day.
place on a hot summer day.
The queen leaves the nest
The queen leaves the nest
and goes out to meet a male ant
and goes out to meet a male ant
or drone
or drone
high up in the air.
high up in the air.
On its return to earth,
On its return to earth,
it gets rid of its wings
it gets rid of its wings
and then does nothing
and then does nothing
but lay eggs.
but lay eggs.
Eggs hatch
Eggs hatch
and grubs come out.
and grubs come out.
Soldiers guard them.
Soldiers guard them.
Workers feed and clean them
Workers feed and clean them
and also carry them about
and also carry them about
daily for airing,
daily for airing,
exercise,
exercise,
and sunshine.
and sunshine.
2 or 3 weeks later,
2 or 3 weeks later,
grubs become cocoons
grubs become cocoons
and live without food
and live without food
or activity
or activity
for 3 weeks more.
for 3 weeks more.
Then the cocoons break
Then the cocoons break
and perfect ants appear.
and perfect ants appear.
Now it's time for teaching
Now it's time for teaching
and training.
and training.
New ants learn their duties
New ants learn their duties
from old ants as workers,
from old ants as workers,
soldiers,
soldiers,
builders,
builders,
cleaners, etc.
cleaners, etc.
After a few weeks training,
After a few weeks training,
the small ants are ready
the small ants are ready
to go out
to go out
into the big world of work.
into the big world of work.
An anthill is a home
An anthill is a home
not only for ants
not only for ants
but also for some other creatures,
but also for some other creatures,
beetles,
beetles,
lizardbirds of ants,
lizardbirds of ants,
and the green fly.
and the green fly.
Why do ants want
Why do ants want
these alien creatures
these alien creatures
to live in their nest?
to live in their nest?
For several reasons.
For several reasons.
Some give off smell pleasant
Some give off smell pleasant
to their ant senses.
to the ant senses.
Others give sweet juices.
Others give sweet juices.
And some are just pets
And some are just pets
or like cats and dogs
or playthings like cats and dogs
to human beings.
to human beings.
The green fly is the ant's cow.
The green fly is the ant cow.
The ants trained it
The ants train it
to give honeydew,
to give honeydew
like milk,
like milk
with a touch of their antenna.
with the touch of their antenna.
They milk it just as
They milk it just as
we milk the cow.
we milk the cow.
Have humans learned
Have humans learned
as much as ants have?
as much as ants have?
Perhaps
Perhaps
they have.
they have,
But they haven't put
but they haven't put
their learning to good use.
their learning to good use.
They may still learn
They may still learn
a few things
a few things
from this tiny teacher.
from this tiny teacher.
Hard work,
Hard work,
sense of duty,
sense of duty,
and discipline.
and discipline.
Cleanliness,
Cleanliness,
care for the young ones,
care for the young ones,
and above all,
and above all,
a firm loyalty
firm loyalty
to the land where they live.
to the land where they live.
Comprehension check.
Comprehension check.
Question number 1.
Question number 1.
How long does it take
How long does it take
for a grub to become a complete ant?
for a grub to become a complete ant?
Question number 2.
Question number 2.
Why do the worker ants
Why do the worker ants
carry the grubs about?
carry the grubs about?
Question number 3.
Question number 3.
What jobs are new ants trained for?
What jobs are new ants trained for?
Question number 4.
Question number 4.
Name some other creatures
Name some other creatures
that live in ant hills.
that live in ant hills.
Question number 5.
Question number 5.
Mention 3 things
Mention 3 things
we can learn from the tiny teacher.
we can learn from the tiny teacher.
Give reasons for choosing these items.
Give reasons for choosing the items.